Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Nikola Corporation, ticker NKLA. Yeah guys, it looks not good. The price is tanking down and we don't see here any kind of bottom, or maybe we have already a bottom in here. I will show you here my updated price analysis or chart analysis. This is of course guys not financial advice. I give you my opinion based on the chart and based on the technicals. Yeah guys, when we zoom out, that is not good what we see here, because we have two things here for Nikola. First of all, the price of course split adjusted. Yeah, we have here a reverse stock split. That's why you will see here now an all-time high at $2,819. But we trading here at $4 guys, and it is not, we are not in the position yet where we can talk about a bottom. Second thing what is not good is that you can see here this massive volume increasement. This is not bullish guys, this is very bearish, because when you see something like this here in the volume profile, this is by the way here TradingView guys, it helps you to understand what a company is doing by just reading the chart. And when you see candles like that, that is a sign for delusion that the company is giving out more shares, pumping more shares into the market. And the more shares you have guys, the more buyers you need to push the price up. The short sellers are of course very aware of that, and that's why we have here a short interest for Nikola. About 31.6% of the float is short guys. Yeah, not good, not good. That is of course too much, and one of the reasons is, as I said, that we have here a very big float. Now for now, since we had the stock split, when you see that here before, the share was here, this is million shares guys, now it's 50 million shares, but you can see we had here more than a few 100% more, and then we had the reverse stock split. So that's the reason, the only reason guys, why we have now here the chance to see something happen, maybe something even like a squeeze, or aka a short squeeze for Nikola is possible guys. And there is a reason why I released this video today, because we have some significant information here. When we see where the split has been executed here, the 1 to 30 reverse stock split by the mid of June guys, and this is why we have now here a chance. Yeah, this is not a financial advice my friends, this is a chance. We have a chance here to see a squeeze. Not only the technicals are in favor for a squeeze, we are here very oversold guys, of course, on the RSI. Also when we zoom in, we are technically here below this trend channel pattern, which in my opinion, sorry for the zoom guys, I will disable the indicators. So guys, yeah, it's three reasons. Yeah, first we have this very interesting date range here. So why I think we could see a squeeze guys, in this blue box we're trading here below the trend channel. The trend channel bottom has been always a support for Nikola, and you can see we had massive pumps when we reached here the bottom of the trend channel, and even after a fake out like that, we're trading now below this trend channel pattern here, this white trend channel. And when we see some kind of fake outs, you can see the reaction is a massive squeeze. This is what the market makers doing. So you can see last time when we had this, we had a 614% squeeze guys, and this is what the market makers doing. I always say, yeah, the people say dip before the rip. I say no drama, no squeeze. Yeah, and this is what we have right now for Nikola. We tanking down, trading below the trend channel, and here in this day range guys, yeah, date range or day range between today or tomorrow and the 7th of or the 8th of November here guys, in this date range, yeah, October 23rd and Friday the 8th, we have here a very good potential to see a squeeze based on the algos. Guys, we have a lot of squeezes here actually right now in the market. As I said, this is also one of the reasons why I released this video here for Nikola, because yesterday guys, two of my hot stocks went absolute crazy. If you don't know this guys, I release here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. These videos here contain very special short squeeze tickers, my so-called finest selection, and of course I try to predict here short squeezes in the next upcoming trading days. That means when I release the video on Sunday, I expect these tickers to squeeze in the very next days. There is no guarantee guys, don't get me wrong, I cannot see the future, but as I said, I released my video on Sunday, and yesterday two of my tickers went completely crazy. This one here squeezed one day after my video release 290%, and the other one guys even squeezed more, because we had this one here with 605%, and it's still squeezing. It is still squeezing, guys, yeah? So that's why I say if you want to see these hidden short squeeze stocks, you can, of course, join in here our trading community. I show you that really quick. We have the full package membership on Patreon, which is the most popular membership I have. Every day new people joining in here, guys, and of course you get access to all my member videos and the hot stock videos. You can see the benefits here. You can pause the video if you want to read that by yourself. When you click the info button here, guys, the info icon here in the corner, then you get access to the link. And then, yeah, you can just join in if you want, guys. If you want to see some short squeeze plays beside Nikola, then of course this is the way to go and be growing here every day. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader. Everybody is welcome, guys. So let's now check back here to Nikola. There's a reason, guys, why I say this date range here is very, very interesting right now. Not only we have a lot of squeezes in the market, as I said, because the technicals are also very good. And I mentioned that before in my previous videos that the support range, the last point of support for Nikola, in my opinion, is $4.30. This is the last point of support. I don't know if they're diluting the stock. As I just showed you before, the float actually is here about 49 million shares. So be very careful, guys, if they dilute the stock, if they continue to dilute the stock, because they still have some outstanding shares here available, officially 50 million when we see that here related on Fintel. So they could even double the float one more time. And if they do so, guys, then this won't be the bottom. We will tank down, and believe it or not, guys, I don't want to scare you. I just show you what the chart is telling us. We come even back down then here in the $1 range or lower. So I don't hope they dilute the stock. As I said, for now, in my opinion, based on the technicals, we have here a very, very nice squeeze setup, and we could see here some squeezes to back this price ranges here. So in worst case, yeah, let's enable now here the indicator. So the lowest squeeze price range, which I expect if we start to pump, is back here to $5.70. This is of course Mickey Mouse. We don't need to talk about that, but I just want to show you that. That would be a price increasement of 40%. Better than nothing, guys. But when we see the volume profile here, the red candles, yeah, don't expect too much here. Here are some spikes in between, but overall we see a lot of red candles, and I'm not sure if this is potentially delusion or if this is just downwards pressure here made by the market makers. We have some open gaps in the chart, guys. So the first open gap which we have here for Nikola, I'm sorry, I will do that here a little bit more invisible, this liquidity zone. So guys, here $7.32. Here is one open gap waiting in the chart, an open up gap of course, and $8.08. So in my opinion, if Nikola starts to really start to squeeze or pump, we need a lot of volume here, a lot of volume. Then we of course could easily close these gaps. And the resistance here in the chart, the resistance price level is this pink line here, $9.50. This is what I at least expect Nikola to do. If we really start to squeeze here, when we talk about not an algo pump, just something like a short squeeze, then $14.21, guys, $15.80, and even $20 would be possible. Yeah, in absolute best case scenario, when we really start to pump, we could almost make here a 400% run. As I said, please make your own due diligence. I'm not 100% sure if this is here, if also delusion is included here. If this is a shakeout by the market makers, then we could expect here a similar price action like we had this year back in 2023, that they create this drama, create this shakeout. You can also see how the volume has increased here. Here was everything very flat. Then the volume starts to spike up, and then boom, sayonara. This squeeze happened here, and this was here over 600%. By the way, a retest of this black EMA line here is usually happening, and then we talk here about prices in the $15 range. But as I said, based on the open gaps, even $20 would be possible for Nikola, guys. I will watch very, very closely what will happen starting today, because this date range here, I repeat that one more time, between the 23rd and the 8th of November is very, very good in favor for a squeeze. My friends, this is not financial advice. Guys, if you like this video here, if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. If you want to copy my price levels here from the chart, as I mentioned before, this is here everything based on the program TradingView. Then I can just offer you here a discount link if you want to learn trading, if you want to understand how the algos are working, guys. There is no way around that you use a good chart program. That's why I really can recommend TradingView, guys. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but if you use here my discount link, then you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. You can also find the link by clicking here the info icon in the corner, guys. So, my friends, that was my update on Nikola. I hope that was helpful for you. If yes, then please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Bis zum nächsten Nikola-Video. Alles Gute und bis bald. Take care. Bye bye, guys.